Good afternoon, guys. This is my dog Zoey, and we're just kind of hanging out today. She wants to say hi. She's putting her paw on me. Now stop licking the camera. You're a silly girl. You are a silly girl. Yes, you are. You love your mommy. You do. Oh, come on, back up so I can get you in the camera here. You're too close. You're too close. There you go. There you go. And your tails are wagging. Okay. Over here. Sit down. Sit down, be a good girl. Sit down, be a good girl for a minute. Oh, she's a good puppy. He's a puppy. A puppy dog. Yes, she is. Stop. Stop acting all crazy. Stop. Stop. You're a good girl. Your mommy's therapy dog, right? Right? You keep her company everywhere I go, you go, right? Even though you can be a pain, right? Sometimes. Can't you drive your daddy crazy? Sometimes you tinkle in the house. That kind of thing. Zoey. Gesundheit. Why you turn your back to me? That's not very nice. When I first got you, you hated cameras. You're not that fond of them now, right? Right, big girl? Hey, Zoe. Big girl. What you doing? Zoe just turned 9 this month. I have had her since she was about 2.5 years old. She came from Texas. And she's a super dog. A lot of personality in her. I mean, and she's so forgiving. You can yell at her or whatever because she's done something naughty, and, you know, she just brushes it off and no big deal. Right, big girl? Hey, Zoe. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing with your mommy? Hanging out? You are. I know you're thinking about dinner, right? Daddy went to the store. He should be back soon. So what are you thinking about, big girl? Bones? Treats? Snacks? All that kind of stuff, Zoe? Zoe? Snacks? Snacks? Treats? Let me try something. Watch this. Snacks? Treats? I was going to ask you something stupid. See if you'd still wag your tail. Oh, come on. Can't be hot in here. I got the air conditioner on. You are a silly kid. Right? Right? Say goodbye. Bye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. I'm Zoey. I'm Zoey. Trying to put her paw on me. Alright, guys. Ouch. See you later. Bye now.